Hello,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm fine. I'm Titash from Bangladesh.
Titas.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Titas from Bangladesh. So how's life treating you?
Yeah, it's going good. Yeah, today I would like to talk to you about computer.
Hi, computers. Great. Okay. Do you have a laptop?
Yes, I prefer use the laptop
Yeah?
because I can easily carry it. And when I go to the any session, then I try to bring my laptop, and that's very easy to carry, right? Do you use
I-
laptop or computer?
yeah,
Do-
I live off a computer, a laptop. I always use a laptop.
Okay.
Laptop for me is the best because I travel the whole time. So my laptop, and then I go.
So do you often use computer?
Yeah, I'm basically all day on the computer. You?
Yeah, I work as a system administrator in a company, and my entire work is on computers.
Mhm.
So I use it very often. Apart from work, I love to do surfing online for news, social
Ah.
networking. Yeah,
Like you surf the internet basically. To what do you
right.
like to read about? What do you like? What do you do on the internet?
Yes, sometimes I try to know what is the update news, and also I love to do shopping online.
Of course, yeah, shopping online
Yeah,
is very useful. Definitely.
and nowadays in the Corona pandemic, you cannot go outside,
Yeah,
so that you should order over online.
yeah, definitely.
Also, I can communicate with my friends
Hmm.
who are staying outside. Yeah, for that reason, actually, mostly I use computer.
Your computer, yeah, to communicate with
Uh,
your friends, to shop online. Do you buy? What do you buy? Do you buy clothes or do you buy like gadgets?
um, I prefer to buy online gadget as well as some daily basic needs like that. It's a tin food and also some electronics product, but I don't like to buy clothes because my previous experience is not so good for buying clothes because they show some products, those are edited graphics, and the same this not same as actually when they deliver, and also the size is one of the issue.
Hmm.
You when you collect those products, then you can see the cloth size is not exactly the same. So I prefer go for shopping. I love to go shopping mall.
Shopping mall. Ah, okay, okay.
Right? Do you do any shopping on the internet?
Yes, I do, but I buy clothes online sometimes, but when I don't shop on the internet very often because but when I do it for clothes. I buy clothes online.
Do you
Yeah.
send and receive email regularly?
Oh yeah, yeah. I send and receive emails all day. Yeah, and I work with music, so I make a lot of music on the computer. I watch things on the computer. Everything's on the computer. I work on the computer. It's all this thing all day.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean you understand.
Yeah. So, in my case, it's same. I'm a system administrator, so that always I need to do up to date, and I should send email. I should check my inbox every half an hour. I should check email
Yeah.
because if any issue happening or any client sending an email, then I should replay, right?
Yeah, 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 exactly. You should reply, definitely.
Yeah. So do you think it is important for everyone to know how to use computer?
Yeah. What do you think?
Yeah, I think definitely yes. We have moved from the industrialization era to digital era, right? Every day lots of things changing like that. Now if you see education system, now all of the contents are available online. Online educations are available. If you say something about healthcare also available online, right?
Yeah.
And you can get update like what happening in the USA, what happening in the Canada, right? So you can get very easily from online, right? So I think every person should know. It makes sense, right? Every person should know actually how to use computer.
Yeah, exactly. Because you can't be a part of this century. you can't. You can't do anything if you don't know how to use a computer.
Right.
Yeah. Like in Greece, there's some people here who don't know how to use a computer.
Oh.
Yeah, it's crazy.
In Greece.
In Greece. It's crazy. I look at these people and I'm like, what's wrong with you? It's easy.
Yeah, because now, there is a lots of training center and so people can learn very easily, right? From online, from friends and family member. Yeah.
Exactly.
So how do keep your computer and data secure?
My data. How do I keep my computer data secure? I don't. I think my computer cleans itself, which is good. And all my data is on a hard drive. So I'm okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think we should keep a backup of our data, right? Because nowadays virus, malware, lots of things are happened on online, right? So that we should keep a backup of our data, as well as if the document is very important for us, that time we should keep a printed copy as well as, right?
Yeah.
And anytime your PC can be crashed, right? So that times you actually search for how I can gather those information, so that I think it will be better keep a backup. It can be online, it can be another hard drive, it can be any portable drive, but if the document is very necessary, I think so.
Yeah, if the document is very important and fundamental, you definitely need to have you need to have it as like a hard copy. You need a hard copy. Also, like, you need everything on the laptop makes everything software. There's so much software, so you need to also have good hardware as well. Hardware is very little now. Hardly any hardware anymore.
Right. So how long have you used computer daily?
How long have I been using a computer? I think for 10 years. About 10 years. You?
I have been using computer, almost 10 to 12 years.
Yeah, right?
Do you think computer are bad for health?
It's bad for your eyes because it always gives you a headache. Nah, I'm not one of those. I don't think it's bad for you. I think the world's bad for you. It's okay.
Yeah, yes, it might be some cases, right? For example, if you use computer for a long time, it can easily irritate a negative effect in your eyesight, right? And it's also partially responsible for gamma radiation, which can be risk for your health, right?
Yeah, it can be a big risk for you. Yeah.